Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter display section, go to the wallpaper, then you have to select if you want to set one of the live wallpapers, one of the pre-installed wallpapers. You can select one of those, or you can just set up your own image as a wallpaper by going to the My Photos. Then you have to select your photo. Here you can adjust it and then tap Set Wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.